Yes, y'all. How cute is that? I retwisted my front of my hair by myself. I'm getting better, y'all. I'm getting better. I'm getting better at it. Yeah, yeah. It's Monday. The joy of Christmas is almost here. So yes, y'all. I did my hair. I went ahead and I retwist my locks myself. I didn't do the back as yet, but at least the front, I did a pretty good job. Yes. The white stuff is like, the hair product. So, yes, y'all. All done by me. Yes. All done by your girl, Trini Vinci. It's good when you can do stuff for yourself. Yes. Yes, y'all. This is all my natural hair for 7 years. Yes. Do you like it? Hi, everyone. Happy Monday. Can you believe it? It's Monday already. It's almost the joy of Christmas. It's almost Christmas, y'all. What are your plans for Christmas 2023? Let's get some answers in the comment section. What is your Christmas plans this year? All right, y'all. I want to get some ideas, or I want to get some suggestions. I want to know what you guys are doing. I want to know what you're up to. So leave your answers in the comment section below. All right, y'all. Hit me up. I want to know what y'all doing this year for Christmas. Let me know.